After Manchester United lost to Tottenham Hotspur, I was sad and frustrated. Obviously, any Man United fan will be. But after some time later in the day, this happened. और इसने मेरा मूड पहले से थोड़ा तो बेहतर कर दिया है. हेलो गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ऋषभ और आप सभी का स्वागत है स्पोर्ट्स गीक में. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर. द मैच took place last night and Tottenham Hotspur crushed United 6 goals to 1. This was heaviest and the biggest defeat of Manchester United in the Premier League history. लास्ट टाइम जब यूनाइटेड 6-1 के स्कोर लाइन से हारा था वो था 2011 में मैनचेस्टर सिटी के अगेंस्ट, एंड उस टाइम के बाद आज मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड 6-1 के स्कोर लाइन से हारा है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस गेम, व्हाट mistakes were made by the Manchester United players, and what is the condition of Manchester United, and we'll also see how Tottenham have improved till now under Jose Mourinho. मगर उससे पहले अगर आपने स्पोर्ट्स गीक के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी जाकर सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करिए और फिर बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करिए, जिससे आपको फ्यूचर के सारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So without wasting more time, let's get into the match analysis. Before the game last night, I did an Instagram live और उसमें मैंने बताया था कि मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड ये मैच हारना तो नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज जो टीम थी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की दैट वाज रियली स्टेबल. एंड अगर हम कंपेयर करें मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड एंड टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर की टीम, तो दोनों ही टीम्स टक्कर की टीम थी. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूनाइटेड वाज वीक एंड टॉटनहम वाज मच स्ट्रॉन्गर. Gareth Bale wasn't playing, so you can't say that the team was stronger. Instead of Gareth Bale, there was Eric Lamela. Yeah, we will talk about Lamela later in this video. मगर देखते हुए कि दोनों टीम्स बराबर की थी, I thought that Manchester United will clinch at least 1 point from this game and the game will be a draw. मगर जब ये गेम स्टार्ट हुआ, we saw completely different story. Manchester United scored a goal. Yes, it was an early goal and Manchester United could have kept that lead for some time, मगर वो लीड ज़्यादा देर के लिए नहीं रख पाई. Again, it was penalty to Manchester United and they scored a penalty. Coming to the first goal of Manchester United, what was Harry Maguire doing? He made like silly mistakes. My school team defenders could have done better job. क्या कर रहा था मैगवायर वहाँ पे? 80 मिलियन स्पेंड किया है हमने इस पे, एंड वी हैव मेड हिम कैप्टन. एंड लुक दैट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ हैरी मैगवायर, एंड ही इज़ नॉट द अलोन टू बी ब्लेम्ड हियर. होल टीम हैज़ टू बी ब्लेम्ड बिकॉज वी डिडंट प्ले लाइक वी यूज्ड टू प्ले, हाउ वी फिनिश्ड द लास्ट सीजन. अगर हम देखें परफॉर्मेंस यूनाइटेड की लास्ट सीजन के, जब लॉकडाउन के बाद जो परफॉर्मेंस थी और लॉकडाउन के जस्ट स्टार्टिंग में जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, यूनाइटेड वर प्लेइंग सो वेल. और उसके बाद वी गॉट नॉक्ड आउट ऑफ 2 सेमीफाइनल्स ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिशंस एट द एंड ऑफ द सीजन. एंड आई थॉट दैट मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ प्लेयर्स आर टायर्ड, सो मैनी गेम्स हैपेंड इन लेस टाइम. मगर अब जो देख रहा हूँ दैट सेम परफॉर्मेंस इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस सीजन. यूनाइटेड हैव ऑलरेडी सफर्ड 2 defeats, and against Brighton also we were lucky that we didn't lose that game, and we all know how good the Brighton were, but we were just lucky to win that game. Or we have conceded penalty in 3 consecutive games. United have lost the opening 2 games at Old Trafford for the first time in the history of the club. What is going on at this club? I know Ed Woodward and Glazers have to be blamed. Obviously you are not signing players, मगर आपके पास प्लेयर्स हैं. अगर इफ़ यू लुक एट एस्टन विला एंड लिवरपूल मैच, एस्टन विला के पास ऐसी कोई बहुत अच्छी टीम नहीं है. स्टिल दे हैव लाइक डिसेंट प्लेयर्स, एंड यूनाइटेड हैव बिग नेम्स, मार्कस रैशफोर्ड, मार्शियल, पॉल पॉगबा, हैरी मैगवायर, ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस, एंड स्टिल यू गिव सच bad performance. I don't have words to tell how bad the performance was. It was frustrating for a Manchester United fan to see their club in such a manner. हम लोग ने सोचा था कि after the performance of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer last season, how he finished in टॉप 4, मुझे लगा था कि इस सीज़न सिचुएशंस बेटर होंगी और मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड को हाँ कह सकते हो कि ओले गनर सोल्शर को आपने प्लेयर साइन नहीं करने दिए, जेडन सैंचो साइन नहीं किया है अभी तक, रेगुलनो भी हाथ से निकल गया, देयर इज़ न्यू गाय कमिंग बाय द वे, टेलिस इज कमिंग एज लेफ्ट बैक, सो लेट्स सी हाउ ही परफॉर्म्स। मगर अभी की टीम देखते हुए आई डोंट थिंक दैट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड हैज़ अ वीक टीम, दे हैव अ डिसेंट टीम। एंड looking at how Tottenham Hotspur are currently, they are in the rebuilding their club situation, and Jose Mourinho has done brilliant job with Tottenham Hotspur if you really see. कल रात को हैरी केन के shots on target and total shots was more than whole team of Manchester United. Heung-min Son created more chances than whole team of Manchester United. Yes, we went 2-1 down in like quick 8 to 10 minutes of the starting of the game, but why didn't we bounce back? There was no creativity in the midfield. Pogba was nowhere. I don't know what he was doing. He was so slow, and there was no hard work from Manchester United players that was being put in the match. All the players were so bad last night. All of them just kept Tottenham Hotspur giving more and more space, and Tottenham Hotspur, they didn't think that we will score so many goals, we shouldn't score so many goals. They kept on scoring one after the other, and they showed how easily you can defeat this Manchester United team and what is the condition of this team. Our defenders, both the centre backs, are so bad. We need a centre back. We need a centre back. We need to create new partnership. Eric Bailey, Maguire, Lindelof, all of them are not working. We have to find a good centre back before the transfer window ends. I hope Manchester United, after last night result, they do something in the transfer market. They are not doing anything, and you can't say that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is not to blame here. He has signed Harry Maguire, he has signed Bruno Fernandes, he has signed Aaron Wan-Bissaka, he has signed Fred, I think, or someone. So they have signed players. It's not like Manchester United haven't signed players. उन्होंने प्लेयर साइन करे हैं, मगर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की जो परफॉर्मेंस रही है, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के प्लेयर्स की परफॉर्मेंस अगर आप देखो, सारे प्लेयर्स की परफॉर्मेंस अगर आप कंसीडर करो, प्लेयर्स की परफॉर्मेंस हैव कम डाउन. ओनली ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस, रैशफोर्ड एंड मार्शियल लिटिल बिट हैव इम्प्रूव्ड. Greenwood has improved, but now after scoring so many goals last season, suddenly there was a dip in his performance. De Gea is not performing well. Harry Maguire, who was performing so great at other club, we signed him for 80 million and he's not performing. Paul Pogba is not performing. We have names, we have big names. Manchester United have big names, मगर प्लेयर्स को परफॉर्म करना ज़रूरी है. और मेरे हिसाब से I was the one who was saying Ole Gunnar Solskjaer should have given more time. He should be given more time. It shouldn't be like Louis van Gaal or David Moyes. मगर अब देखते हुए that he is not doing anything, कि मतलब ना आप प्लेयर की परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव कर रहे हो, ना आप टीम इंप्रूव कर रहे हो, ना आपके पास कोई गेम प्लान है. Maybe it's time to get rid of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and get someone new, because it's just the starting of the season. Again, I don't want to go through same phase जहाँ पर आप मिड सीजन में ओले गनर सोल्शर को हटा के कोई नया मैनेजर लाते हो और फिर से आप so many responsibilities, so many expectations from that manager. It won't work again. It will become a cycle, and it has already become a cycle. So I hope that Manchester United do something here, because it's frustrating for Manchester United fans, as Patrice Evra spoke in the Sky Sports after the match interview. He literally told that Manchester United should buy a PlayStation and they should play with Jadon Sancho and Lionel Messi in that career mode, because these players would never sign for current Manchester United team. And it's true, Manchester United doesn't deserve these players. These big names won't solve their problem. The problem will be solved with proper management, which is removing Ed Woodward and getting a director of football, and removing the Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, or giving him like a particular time that you have to perform in this much period. If you're not performing, we will get someone else. And those tough decisions have to be made. And Manchester United, we have become a club with only business mind. We are not a club that is football club, that proper club is being run. And all the Manchester United fans are so frustrated just like me. Coming to Tottenham Hotspur, on the other hand, if you see, the rebuilding is going on pretty well. If you see, Gareth Bale अभी इस टीम में आना बाकी हैं ऑलरेडी. हाँ, मुझे पता है कि मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की परफॉर्मेंस उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का डिफेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं था, मगर दिस रूथलेसनेस इन Tottenham Hotspur I have never seen before. This ruthlessness. Last game they drew against Newcastle and that was just unlucky for them क्योंकि वो हैंडबॉल दे दिया गया था. मगर देखते हुए कैसा ये टीम परफॉर्म कर रही है, कैसा ये डिफेंड कर रही है, दे आर रियली गुड. हाँ, अभी डिफेंस थोड़ा वीक है, यू कैन हर्ट देम, मगर देयर अटैकिंग लाइनअप इज रियली गुड. आई होप दैट दे कंटिन्यू सच अ फॉर्म अंडर जोजे मोरिनो. And looking at the current performance of Tottenham Hotspur, they might be able to finish under top 4 because Gareth Bale will be joining this team, and then the front three will be unstoppable: Heung-min Son, Harry Kane and Gareth Bale. Now coming to the red card, I think both of them should have got that red card or yellow card because it was first Lamela who punched him with elbow and then Martial gave it back to him. The referee saw only Martial. Where was the VAR? Where is VAR? I'm so frustrated with VAR. It doesn't come at proper time. Like, it was needed at this time when two players are fighting. Where is VAR? कहाँ है VAR? मतलब आप दो प्लेयर्स फाइट कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को मार रहे हैं, बट यू जस्ट सी वन प्लेयर और आपने अपना डिसीजन दे दिया, उस प्लेयर को रेड कार्ड दे दिया, दूसरे प्लेयर को ना रेड कार्ड ना येलो कार्ड. Both of them were at fault there. Both of them should have got same card, yellow or red. It's not good to charge only one player and not do anything against the player who started that thing. But क्या ही एक्टिंग करी है एरिक लमेला ने, कसम से. मुझे लगता है कि एरिक लमेला की ये जो एक्टिंग थी, this was much better than Neymar's performance in every match. How Neymar just goes down on the ground asking for foul. Eric Lamela did better performance than him and he deserves Oscar for this, for sure. The way he just skipped that situation, he didn't get yellow card as well. And that moment changed completely everything in this game. वो रेड कार्ड मिलने के बाद मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का मोमेंटम completely नीचे चला गया, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस पूरा ख़त्म हो गया और उसी के कारण मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के प्लेयर्स they were not performing, they were not giving anything of theirs on the ground. They were just playing like they are playing in training, and training में भी आप better perform करते हो. Frustrated man, frustrated. I am out of words for this team. We will end this video here itself. I don't have any more words to describe the performance of Manchester United. I won't be talking about the goals because 7 goals. Total 7 goals, and obviously they weren't playing well. If I pick one mistake, it doesn't make sense because whole performance of the team was pathetic. That's all I would say. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then do subscribe to the channel and share the video. If you're watching this video on social media platform like Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, then do follow the social media platforms and share the video with your friends. मैं जल्दी वापस आऊँगा अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.